Hello and welcome to Plus Buck. Today I'm going to let you all know all about the shed and whether or not it made it safely to the top of the hill. As ever, there's been a bit of plant shopping, so I'll show you what I've got and I'll be planting up a few new things. We've been busy levelling the land so that there'll be room to grow vegetables and other plants. So let's get started. In one of my earlier updates, I mentioned the creation of this weir and how we'd lost a lovely Gunnera in the process. Well, good news, I have found it. And here it is. I've got a feeling that the digger has gone through the bulk of the plant, and these are just little offshoots that have survived. So what I'm going to do is dig them up and pot them on, and hopefully they'll grow into big, wonderful plants like the original one was. So I went to a lovely plant fair recently. And I might have bought a few plants, including this lovely kitchen bay. So bay is great to use in cooking if you haven't used it before. I tend to dry the leaves first before using them. It seems to give them a bit more flavour. I did have a wonderful bay tree that was quite big, but I lost it the winter before last when we had a very harsh cold spell. And this wonderful geranium called Storm Cloud. It's a hardy geranium, so it will stay outside all winter long. And it came from a lovely nursery called Ticum, who are just up the road, and they've stopped selling online, but they now sell at the different fairs locally. And it's just a wonderful geranium. It's green in the middle with kind of purple on the outside of the leaves, which gives it a really lovely effect. And I think it was up for Chelsea Plant of the Year in 2022. Definitely glad I got this one. And then I got this wonderful plant, which is known as Bastard Balm. And a bit of an unfortunate name for a truly beautiful plant. I've got one of these already, but it's just white. So I'm really pleased to find this one, which has white flowers still, but the bottoms are this lovely purple. And then as we were driving home, we passed a plant stand by the side of the road, and it would have been rude not to stop. So from there, and I think I paid something like £1 or something for this, I got Honeysuckle, American Beauty. And this, which is called Stridolo. Now, I've never heard of this before, but apparently it's got edible leaves. So I'll wait till it gets a bit bigger, bung some of these in a salad, and if I like it, I'll try and save the seeds and grow them again in future years. For now though, let's go over to the pond where I'm going to plant up these bad boys. In this bucket is a big load of blanketweed that I scooped out earlier with a little help from Milo. I'll leave this on its side next to the pond overnight so that any wildlife, pond life can make its way back into the water. I think this geranium will look lovely beneath this lilac, which incidentally is flowering for the first time ever. There we go. I'll show you it again when it's in flower, although I'd be happy with just the leaves. I've just dug up this tree fern, which is sadly no longer with us. It might send up some late fronds. I'm not holding up much hope, but I'll pop it in a pot and yeah, let's see. In its place though, will go the balm, and I'm sure it's going to look lovely here. Just gently easing out the roots. This will help encourage it to grow out into the earth. That looks lovely. I'll water these in as it's quite a warm day, And yeah, let's show you what's been going on in the field. So our friend with the digger has been busy levelling off all the land behind me and creating the beginnings of a couple of terraces. And finally, we get to the shed. So moving it was no easy task, as you can see. And here it is, I'm pleased to say, all in one piece. And that's it for all the goings on here at Pluspak today. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.